So I'm out of the area that, oh my God, wow, holy shit. Did you guys hear that? Oh my God, oh my God, wow, that was huge. That was a big lightning. Oh man, that was scary. Woo! Wow, that was scary. Really loud. Really bright too. Yeah. So I took the casing for the waterproofing case. So hopefully you can hear me better. Hopefully you can hear the river, the water and the raindrops coming down, and hear the streams. Nature at its play. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm seeking shelter under the cover here. Basically under a bridge. And yeah, so neat. So fun to watch. Nature playing wildly and fearlessly too. With beautiful plants, beautiful flowers. I don't know what those are, but they're beautiful. Amazing, amazing stuff. Oh my God, oh my God. Incredible. You guys see the water underneath? Water spilling down from the bridge? Yeah, like that. Yeah, it's getting pretty wet here. I think I'm gonna have to put the camera back in the waterproofing case. Yeah. Yep. Well, that does it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this. See you again. And maybe I'll see your river. Maybe I'll see your storm footage. Have a great day, everyone. Adios. Bonjour, bon matin, bon nuit.